Straight down the ground, that is Jordan at his best. He says enough is enough. Well, free hit. And he's got the connection, not perfect. Well, Van der Merwe around the wicket. Oh no, it's got 100 up off 83 balls. And he's gone again, this time leg side, and he beats both fielders. Low full toss, the bowlers now have been put under pressure.
Expose the stumps.
Well, he's tried to go and do exactly that and dart it leg side, but this time it goes into the arc of Jordan.
Trying to hit leg stump.
Well, he's got a bit of length and it's enough to work with the Southern Brown Crave. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. That was all hands of the first innings. He drills it straight. There is no one out. Remember, it provides opportunity, and Chris Jordan